Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If this is the first time that you've seen my face, I would love it if you subscribe, as I post videos every Thursday at 5 PM. The traffic is very loud. As you can see, I'm back here today with Lauren. Hi. And we are in Glasgow. As you can probably hear, I'm sorry if you can hear the traffic, it's very loud. We're on a main road.
Sorry.
We want to leave the video right now. We are going to be showing Glasgow's top Instagram spots. We are working our way towards the first one now. We are on our way to, not berries and cream, we are on our way to Kelvingrove Art Gallery Museum, which is our first stop, but we're just walking down Kelvin Way, I think this is. They've cut it off for cars, I think, because people are just walking in the road, and Lauren says that they do that sometimes. So if you come here and they've cut it off for cars, that makes a very cute picture. We got a couple which I'll put up here, and like I say, we're just heading towards Subu. I haven't seen him before. We're just walking to the museum, and you can get nice pictures outside the museum and inside, so I think we'll go in for a wee bit as well. This is Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum, and some people say that this bit is actually the front. Lauren thinks it's the back because there's an urban myth that the artist or architect built the building back to front, but actually, like I said, that's a myth. But both the front and the back are equally as pretty, so you'll need to come here and see what the back of the building looks like, or the front, depending on Lauren or me, whoever you are.
I'm right.
The building was originally built in the later half of the 19th century, but it was reopened in 2006 after a 3-year refurbishment. The original site was actually a little bit to the east of where the Kelvingrove Museum is now. So let's go inside. All we need to do is put our masks on and check in on the QR code in the app, and we'll be ready to go. It is free to enter and it's a great day out, as well as a great spot for Instagram locations. Me and Lauren have just had a little iced coffee break. Now we're feeling quite chilly, and we're just walking towards Glasgow Uni to go and get some nice pictures there, because I don't know if you've seen any pictures of Glasgow Uni, but it gets compared to Hogwarts quite a lot, and it's a really pretty building, so let's go and take some pictures. We're in the courtyard. I don't know if that's the right word, but I'm in
What's it called? Crusty?
Crusty? No, the cloisters are in there. Gonna head there next.
Oh.
But this is the bit where like they have the graduations and everything, and then people get pictures in the cloisters in there, which we're gonna go in next. The Crusty. Very Harry Potter vibes, Lauren.
Bobby, it's a free elf. I'm not an owl. Well,
I don't even like Harry Potter that much.
students in the corridor. Students out of bed.
Berries and cream, berries and cream.
No, you can't. You want to get Snape from getting that stone?
Harry!
There must be another way. He's going to sacrifice himself.
Hermione! Ron Weasley! It's very casual. We are leaving Glasgow Uni. This is it behind us. We are making our way to Ashton Lane, which has like lights up in the lane, so I don't know if it's going to look as nice in the daytime. Obviously the lights will be on at night and it's not night time right now, but we're going to go and see if we can take nice pictures there anyway.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical.
Had a cheeky drink, didn't we, Lauren? Had a cheeky drink. We're going to go to Botanic Gardens because that is really beautiful, but I think the glass houses will be shut, and I have been recently, so I will insert the pictures that I took there here. These are my photos from the Glasgow Botanic Gardens at the glass houses specifically. This is probably the part that gets Instagrammed the most, but obviously the whole park is very pretty. I didn't really want to go this late in the day to the glass houses because from April to September they are open for longer in the summer. I think they're open until 6, and then in the winter after September they're open until 4. We're going to make our way back to town now, and if we've got time, visit a couple more, but if we don't have time, then I might have to cut this video a little bit short. I'm very sorry. We had also planned to go to a couple extra places today, like I said, but time got away with us and we weren't able to visit them, so I thought I would talk about them at the end of the video here and show you some generic pictures. I'm sorry about my voice, by the way. I'm on the tail end of a cold. We were planning on going to this like angel wing mural outside a pub called Embargo or Embarge Road in the Glasgow West End, but when we went there it had been painted over, but this is what it was looking like before, but it's sort of painted over to like darker, weirder wings, and also I wasn't tall enough to be standing next to them posing anyway, so that wouldn't have worked out. Other great places to go and take pictures in Glasgow are the Glasgow City Chambers, which is on George Square. There are also plenty of little pretty aesthetic coffee shops and cafes in Glasgow. There's obviously the Duke of Wellington statue, which everybody tends to get photos of, but they're mainly tourists that take pictures with that. The story behind this is that somebody put a cone on the statue's head once and police tried to take it down, and whenever they take it down, someone would put it back up. So now it's just like a permanent thing now, and it's become sort of like a Glasgow icon. And a little bit further out there is a row of like really colourful, aesthetic, pretty looking houses in Shawlands. All these other places are pretty close together, so if you have more time I would go out to Shawlands, but it's not exactly easy to get to from the rest of the places. You'd have to like go on a train to go to the south side. And those are my other recommendations. So I'm sorry about the abrupt ending to this video. As you can see, I had one drink and it went downhill. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because I post videos every Thursday at 5 PM. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon'